Hello, spinners. I have a really important question to ask you, and it's been bothering me about my wheel for a while, so hopefully someone out there can answer it. So you see where I took my drive band off, and I'm just kind of going like this. All right, so we're oiled nicely, right? But listen when I start treadling. It's the worst sound in the world. And once I put the drive band back on and I actually start spinning, it gets even louder and creakier. I have tried oiling everything. I don't know what to do. If anyone can tell me anything about how to fix this awful, awful noise, please reach out to me. Thank you.